Hello students, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my English channel. Hope you are finding this channel useful, and today in this video I am going to teach you part 2 of chapter 7 Glimpses of India. Part 2 is Kurg. So children, please keep on sharing, subscribing and do like my channel.
So, children, let's start with the introduction of the author, Lokesh Abrol. Lokesh Abrol is a renowned doctor by profession. He established the first multi specialty hospital in the private sector in Gurgaon. He is also a social worker. He established the first stray cow shelter in Gurgaon. Lokesh Abrol is also an established writer. The present essay on Kurg highlights his sharp observation and the ability for a graphic description of the wonderful land that is called Kurg. So, children, before starting the chapter, let me give you a short introduction of the chapter. The lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. The place has an amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of Kurg are known to be one of the bravest. Coffee is the main crop grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here while the place is surrounded by the beautiful hills, islands, and Tibetan settlements. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. So, children, this is a description of Kurg, where it is situated. It is called a heavenly place because it is very beautiful. Kurg district of Karnataka lies between the towns of Mysore and Mangalore. It is like a heaven on earth. It is inhabited by martial, means brave men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. Kurg or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforest, spices, and coffee plantations. Evergreen rainforests cover 30% of this district. So, children, it is the smallest district of Karnataka. It consists of evergreen forests, spices, and coffee plantations. Evergreen rainforests cover 30% area of this district. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. So, children, in during monsoons, heavy rainfall, the place witnessed heavy rainfall. So, many visitors are not advised to visit the place during monsoons, and the best season to visit Kurg starts in September and continues up to March. The weather in Kurg is pleasant during these months. Let's have a look on some new words. Drifted away means being carried away. Martial means having to do with war or brave. Now, few important questions. Where is Kurg? Answer is Kurg is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is situated midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. What is the other name of Kurg? Kodagu is the other name of Kurg. The fiercely independent people of Kurg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. So, the people here are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. According to a legend, Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled there only when they were unable to return to their country. The people married amongst the locals, and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage, and religious rites, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. So, the people married among the locals, and their culture can be witnessed by their martial traditions, marriages, and religious rites. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Qudaywas. Known as kufiya, it resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. So, children, the Qudaywas are the residents of Kurg, wear a long black coat with an embroidered waist belt known as kufiya. It resembles kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Few new words. Mainstream, a tradition which most people follow. Tales of valor, stories of courage and bravery, usually in war. Descent, origin.
So children, that's all in this video. We'll continue the chapter in the next video. Hope you have understood it. Please like, share and subscribe my video.